Richard Anthony Hutton is a former English cricketer who played in 5 Test matches for the England cricket team in 1971. A right-handed batsman and right-arm seam bowler, Hutton's bowling was probably his stronger discipline, but he was considered an all-rounder. He played first-class cricket for Yorkshire County Cricket Club. He is the son of cricketer Len Hutton, described by Wisden Cricketers Almanack as one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. He was educated at Trepton School, where he developed a reputation as an all-round cricketer, and Christ's College, Cambridge, being awarded a blue at Cambridge. He played for Yorkshire from 1962 until 1974 and for Transvaal in South Africa. Hutton made his Test debut in a drawn match against Pakistan in 1971, being promoted to open in the second innings and scoring 58, not out in his maiden Test innings. His highest Test score of 81 came in his last Test match at the Oval against India. He shared a century partnership for the 7th wicket with the wicket-keeper Alan Knott after the Indian spinners did some early damage. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.